Hi friends, ciao! Welcome to my third video of the series How to Stay in Shape. This is a full body workout using elastic bands and your own body weight. The best thing about elastic bands is that it is a very light equipment, it takes very little space, and it is easy to take with you even when you are traveling. Before you start, please remember to subscribe, like, and leave comments below. Also, don't forget to click the bell for notification for future videos. Now, let's start with the workout and stay tuned till the end when I'll share with you a personal secret for having a great core. For the workout today, you will be doing 6 exercises with as many repetitions as you can for each exercise. And ideally, you're gonna do this for 3 to 5 rounds. This is the rule of thumb for all the workout plans I have for you. I promise you're going to love and feel this work. So let's start with the workout. Here are my bands, long one and short, looped. The first exercise, you're working your abs. You wrap this around your legs and you're gonna be in this position, tension, and you're gonna go up, up, side. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. Each exercise you're gonna be doing it for as long as you can in sets of 3 to 5 ideally. This is a rule of thumb for most of the exercises. Okay, now the next exercise is gonna be for your back. The easy version is this. You're gonna go up, up, side, up, up, side. If you want a challenge, you go all the way here and you're gonna go opposite, opposite, that side, opposite, opposite side. After this, we're gonna work on push-ups. For push-ups, you're gonna use the long band. You're gonna wrap it around your back and going down. Easy version, you start on your stomach, legs up. You're gonna go up and round, half the way pause, down. Half the way down. All the way up, half the way down. Okay? If you want a challenge for this, you can go like this, open your legs, tension, and you go down, down, up. If you want even more of a challenge, you raise your legs up on a couch. Let's move on to the next exercise. 4, you're going to be working on your glutes. This time, long band, wrap it around your waist, hold it down tight, flex your feet, and you're going to go up, side, opening your legs, close your legs, and down. 1, 1, close, down. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. Then we're gonna move on and we're gonna do dips, working your tricep. For this, you can do it on the floor the easy way, or you can go with your arms on your couch, as I'm gonna show. Long band around your back again. You're gonna be holding it or around your neck. I like the low bands too, the looped ones, to keep tension on your glutes medius. Legs here, and you're gonna go down on your bottom basically. Down, down, up, down, down, up. A little resistance there. After this, we're going to do legs. So dips, legs. This is second to last. Tension, separating your legs, grabbing low, depends on your intensity, and squatting, flat back. Make sure this is done with good posture, no arching. Sit back as low as you can. Your knees should not pass your toes. And up, and then squeeze hips under. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Good. And our last one, heel raises. Gonna go up, toe, and just do as many as you can until it burns. Okay. This is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this. It's definitely worth investing into this. They're really great equipment to have anywhere, in your pocket, when you travel, in your purse. Have fun. I hope you enjoyed this. And join me, let's go. As promised, I'm gonna share with you my pro tip, which I've learned from an instructor, ballerina instructor, when I was still a gymnast, to practice my tight core throughout the day. You have to keep your core engaged as you would be wearing an elegant dress and be in high heels. I practice this throughout the day, and I really believe that this is the reason why I still have a good, nice core till today. Try it yourself and let me know what you think. This is all I have for you. Let's start. Have fun. Join me. Let's go.